Tangents and secants, class 10, chapter 9, tangents and secants to a circle, exercise 2, second bit. Very important. Exercise 2, second problem, very important. Two concentric circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. See here, these two are concentric circles. This is a bigger circle, this is a smaller circle. Bigger circle, smaller circle. O is the center of the circle. Steps to write. First step, radius of a smaller circle. See here, radius of a smaller circle. OP is the radius. OP is the radius of smaller circle. OP is equals to 3 centimeters. Therefore, here OP is equals to 3 centimeters, radius of a smaller circle. Next point, radius of a bigger circle. Here see here, radius of a bigger circle. Radius of a bigger circle, OA is equals to 5 centimeters. Radius of a bigger circle, OA is equals to 5 centimeters. Now suppose that AB is a chord of larger circle. Suppose that AB is a chord of larger circle. See here, AB is a chord of larger circle. AB is a chord of a larger circle and it touches the smaller circle. See here, and it touches the smaller circle, and I am joining OB. I'll tell in Hindi and once Telugu. OP a smaller circle का रेडियस है 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. OA बिगर सर्कल का रेडियस है, बड़ा सर्कल के रेडियस है 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. AB क्या है, वो कार्ड है, बिगर सर्कल को टच हो रहा. अब बिगर सर्कल की कार्ड है, स्मॉलर सर्कल को टच हो रहा. हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना AB क्या है, AB कार्ड, AB लेंथ ऑफ द कार्ड, AB क्या है फाइंड आउट करना. इन तेलुगु ఓపీ అనేది చిన్న సర్కిల్ రేడియస్ 3 సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఓఏ అనేది 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పెద్ద సర్కిల్ రేడియస్, ఈ ఏబి అనేది కార్డు పెద్ద సర్కిల్ కార్డు చిన్న సర్కిల్ టచ్ అవుతుంది. మనం కనుక్కోవాలి ఏబి. హియర్ ఓపీ ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఏబి. హియర్ ఓపీ ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఏబి. OP is perpendicular to AB and OP bisects AB. Next point, OP bisects AB. OP bisects AB. Therefore, AP is equals to PB. OP bisect कर रहा है AB को, करे तो क्या AP is equal PB रहता. OP bisect చేస్తే AP అనేది equals to PB. AB is equals to how much? We should find. Now by taking Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle AOP, in a triangle AOP, in a triangle AOP, according to Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equals to AP square plus OP square. OP square. Now OA square is equals to, OA is equals to 5. I am writing in the place of OA 5 square is equals to AP. We don't know AP value, we should find AP square as it is, right? Plus OP. Here OP is equals to radius of the smaller circle 3 centimeters. I am writing in the place of OP 3 square as it is, right? This 5 square, 5 means 5 into 5, 25 is equals to AP square as it is, right? Plus 3 into 3, 9. Now by transpose both sides, this total transpose to LHS, this total transpose to RHS, transposing both sides. AP square plus 9 is equals to 25. This 9 right RHS side, plus quantity becomes what happened? Minus quantity. AP square is equals to 25 minus 9, plus 9 what happened? Plus becomes minus 9. AP square is equals to 25 minus 9, 16. Now AP is equals to square root of 16. This 2 you write RHS side, what happened? It has become square root. Therefore AP is equals to 4 centimeters. But AP is equals to PB. AP is equals PB. Why? Because AP is equal PB. Why? Because OP bisects AB. Therefore AP is equals to PB. We should find AB length. AB is equals to AP plus PB. See here, AB is equals to what? AP plus PB. AB is equals to AP plus PB, where AB is equals to 4. I am writing in the place of AP, I am writing 4. PB is equals to what? AP is equals to what? 4. Again we should write 4. Therefore AB is equals to 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters. See here, length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is AB is equals to 8 centimeters. One shall show in the figure. See here, length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle, AB is equals to how much? 8 centimeters. Hence we proved.